Installing wheel spacers on BMW X series is an ordinary option that most people will do.
When choosing wheel spacers, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality spacers must be made of good material. The industry recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than the cast ones, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS aluminum alloy wheel spacer is that the hard anodizing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting.
By pushing out the wheel, you can gain a small amount for clearance for bigger wheels. Having your wheel brought out ideal distance allows for mounting performance parts without wheel scratching.
BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The multi-layers design provides the beavers to fit the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and a better load transition.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!